Morning on my window, sunlight preaching through the glass. I've been chasing every answer, forgetting how to simply ask. I hear the sparrows singing, like they know just who they are. No hurry in their soaring, they still end up where you are. Teach me, river, how to run in grace. Teach me, mountains, how to hold my place. Let the lilies show me I'm already loved. If the wind obeys your whisper, then I can trust. Let nature teach me how heaven's moving in me. I see healing in the seasons, trees just letting go of leaves. They don't fight the gentle falling, they make room for something green. Clouds keep rolling over, never worrying where they've been. If you care for every feather, you won't let me fall again. Oh no, river, how to run in grace. Teach me, mountains, how to hold my place. Let the lilies show me I'm already loved. If the wind obeys your whisper, then I can trust. Let nature teach me how heaven's moving in me. Every blade of grass is swaying, like a choir in the field. Sing on, all creation keeps on praying till your glory is revealed. So I lift my hands up higher, like branches reaching for the sky. If the earth can't sing your promise, so can I. Teach me, river, how to run in grace. Teach me, mountains, how to hold my place. Let the lilies show me I'm already loved. If the wind obeys your whisper, then I can trust. Let nature teach me how heaven's moving in